So you can see that with the powder and the epoxy together, the tools are very clean. Take the extra off, clean them with some solvent, and then just reuse them again. You don't have to worry about the epoxy fouling up the holders or the machine underneath. That's good. So everywhere that we see the dark spots in the grout is actually the wetting out of the marble powder and marble flour by the epoxy that's inside all those holes. So all the holes and pits that are in the floor that have been filled are the spots that are all dark in color, which is actually, again, a pit that's been filled in with the epoxy and the marble flour to make it flush with the surface. So hopefully when we grind it, it'll all be filled in, and the concrete and the holes filled in together means a better shine and a more consistent finish. So as you can see, our final result turned out quite great, and that's primarily, as it says 80 on the gloss meter, it's primarily because of all the white spots that you see that are actually filled with that epoxy resin and that marble flour. They're filled more thoroughly and completely than we could ever do by hand. And now that they're filled, we actually have a floor that has a much better appearance, but also a much greater durability, because now that those holes are filled, the edges of them are no longer weak, which means it lends to a long-term use of this floor without fear of premature failure. And this is a system that can be done on any type of concrete, pretty much anywhere in the world. If it's polishable but has pits, this process can take care of the problem of that porosity.